Good afternoon from a very rainy Vancouver. Today, we are going to do a very quick showing of the new AC Cafe here in YVR. For some quick context, Air Canada has had the AC Cafe both in Toronto Pearson and Toronto City Airport, along with Montreal, for quite some time now. This space is a separate option for business class passengers and loyalty status holders to the Maple Leaf Lounge. The cafe is intended to be a lighter option of what the main lounge has to offer. This includes more of a work and cafe style oriented seating, along with takeaway food options for your next flight. The AC Cafe in YVR is located in a brand new space at the C concourse at the end of the domestic terminal by gate 46. The entrance is just like any other AC Cafe, is done through automated gates, although the desk is staffed if you're bringing a +1 or have any other inquiries. Upon first glance, this place is fairly small, but it's extremely stylish. There are no washrooms available in the cafe, but there's literally quite some right across the hallway near the entrance. Unlike the AC Cafe in Toronto, there is no barista available, but there's filtered coffee, 2 brand new espresso machines along with self-pouring drinks from Persephone Brewing, lemonade, kombucha, cold brew, and even nitro cold brew, which will all come online very soon. On the island counter, there's more alcoholic drinks from Persephone consisting of a lager, pale ale, hard seltzer, and a cider. If you're more interested in the food, there are some great tasting takeaway options of a Korean fried chicken sandwich, gyoza, and spring rolls, along with fresh baked items, some being donuts from the locally owned Lee's. There are also cold takeaway options like salad wraps and sushi, with bottled soft drinks and a pop fountain next to it. There are also vegan and vegetarian options as well. If you find something that you like and want to take it with you to go, there are lots of takeaway bags with disposable cutlery to take on the flight. Lounges are always the best when there are some wrap views of the apron, which is no exception here, but it's just a quick glimpse of the Jazz Concourse, and you can see the occasional wide-body taxiing by on the distant taxiway. As this technically being a cafe, there will be lots of space to get some work done, with all seating having access to 2 outlets along with USB-C charging, which I love to see. This place is definitely more of an intimate space compared to the main lounge, and the seating might not come off as lounge-like and honestly not the most comfortable, but keep in mind this space is more meant for short stays. So what does this mean for the Maple Leaf Lounge going forward? Well, as you might know, this space is starting to really truly show its age and is overdue for renovation. Even more so like the one in Montreal, and thank God that's being done right now. Obviously the AC Cafe can't handle all that traffic, so there's going to be a second AC Cafe opening near Gate 50, which is still under construction. Having a second AC Cafe is a first across Air Canada's 3 main hubs. Once when that opens, the domestic Maple Leaf Lounge will go under renovations, and at the time of writing this, there's no timeline of when that lounge will be renovated or concept pictures. But that's all the details I have for now, and thanks for taking the time to watch this quick video. I really hope in the near future you get the opportunity to check out this new addition to YVR. So if you liked this video and would like to see more, feel free to subscribe and drop a like. Cheers, and I'll see you in the next one.